welcome to English Fundamentals 4. I will be your instructor, Dana White, for this class. I don't know if you're new to Canvas, but I wanted to kind of show you around. We're going to have a great fall semester. We will have fun. I will teach you all these exciting things, but I want to make sure that you understand Canvas and that you're able to navigate through each section of it. So let's get started. This is your home page. It's called Language Arts English Fundamentals, and these are called modules that you will work your way through, each one to do assignments or learn about the material that's being proposed to you. So take your cursor, once you get into the Canvas website, you take your cursor and you could go into Course Info. And with Course Info, this is going to come up. So you'll see a whole list of fun things, instructor resources, tips and guides, using the SAC template, NetTutor, whatever you want. This NetTutor is really great. It can help you with any assignment that you're working on, so it's a great resource to have. So if you want to start off, you could click on Welcome to Language Arts, and this will show up. This is me. Welcome to Language Arts, English Fundamentals 4. I'm excited to get this year going. So we'll have fun lessons. We'll do basic reading skills, vocabulary, capitalization. So you can navigate through this. You could actually click on any of these and that will take you to where you need to go. You could always go to the home page, which is right over here, to take you back to where you want to go in the very beginning. And that home page is right here. Okay, so this is course information and all these modules you could click on. So I suggest you do that. I just think it's easier if you go straight through here. You can see this. This is course information. This is your course syllabus. So this is what we will be doing in this class. So if you look at that, high school subject program, you could just read through it at your leisure. I just wanted to show you it so you could take a peek at it with me. Your attendance, logging into Canvas, communication. I have my email right here for you. The different packets we're going to be working on that you will work through when you do a little test after each packet. And again, this is all going to be in this Canvas page. It tells you your closed book tests, what your grades can be, the schedule. So just make sure you navigate through each one and see what you have coming up next. So let me take you back over here. So again, if you go up, you can see all this. This is the syllabus. And then I'm going to go back to modules. So if we go back to modules, it takes me to that main page where all the modules are. And you could guide back down through here. So there's the welcome. This is your syllabus. This is your student guide that you're going to take a peek at. This student guide is going to help you. So click on this link. This is going to help you go through each packet and know which one you've done. So I'm going to bring this up, show you what it looks like. There you go. And if you go through here, this is English Fundamentals 4. You do your first packet, and then you take a test, test 2, test 3, and then you do a midterm. So you can keep track yourself as you go and write down what your scores are for each test so you know how well you did. So I would refer to the student packet, maybe print it up, and you could look at that as you go along. It'll help you out immensely, I promise. Okay, so I'm going to go now back to modules. Okay, it takes me back to that same page. These are all your resources that will help you immensely. This is your welcome page like I showed you, your course syllabus, your student guide. This is my instructor contact. I'm available anytime. You could email me. You could even text me if you want. I don't mind. Office hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so that's that. And also I'm just going to show you, you could also just go straight through and hit this next button. So there's a next button here that you could hit, or if you want to go to the previous page before the instructor name, which was your student guide, you can go there as well. I'm going to go back to the module page because I like to access everything through here. I just think it's a lot easier. So just go through here, academic honest policy, etiquette rules, and you could navigate through there. Then more resources you can go. If you need Canvas help, they're great. They're actually awesome. You can go to them 24/7, and they can help you with anything you need. So there's a toll-free number there for any support you need. If you're having trouble getting on, if you're having trouble navigating through, just please call them for help. They've been very helpful to me as I went through this whole process. Okay, so this is where the assignments start. So this is where you're going to start. You're going to go to Module 1. It's Unit 1 discussion and getting to know you. This is a discussion you're going to have. It's going to be all with the classmates. So this is what I'd like you to start with first. So I would like you to read through the discussion. I basically just have a couple questions, 2 qualities that you think are important to be a successful online student. What are things you hope to learn in this course? Why is grammar important? Do you enjoy learning about grammar? Is it something that's a little more difficult for you? Just kind of talk about your struggles or no struggles, or if you like it, or what helps you learn better. So just so you read through this, I give you all the steps. You'll have feedback. You'll have a link to click on. Your assignment grading criteria. This is how you're going to be scored. So you'll see a rubric like this at the end of every assignment. So you know how you're going to be scored for each assignment. Okay, so after you've figured out how to use Canvas and you've gone through the steps and know what the information page, I would like you to start here. This is your first graded assignment. So once you finish this and you upload your discussion and you discuss with everybody else, you go on to the next module. And the next module after that is your first real English 4 assignment. So that is right here. So for each one, I'll give you a little introduction to sentence level mechanics. I'll have another video on there for you. And you will also get to work through the assignment as you go. So again, just click on each of these links, and it's super easy to navigate through. So your first English assignment in sentence level mechanics is going to be capitalization. So this is going to be your instructions and just some rules about capital letters. And then you're going to go on to the next page, and you will see that this is your actual assignment. So you'll have your assignment in here. I'll have submission, assignment, format, and then you'll go further on down. And this is where your assignment. And I have the directions in there for everything you do. Again, if you need help with anything, please contact me. I'm happy to help you. And I'm looking forward to getting this year started. All right. Thanks, everyone.